Are you looking to take your AI text generation experience to the next level? Look no further than ChatGPT Professional, the new paid version of the popular chatbot developed by OpenAI. With increased availability, faster response speeds, priority access to new features, and no throttling, ChatGPT Professional promises to automate your business processes and generate high-quality content at a faster rate. Let's take a closer look at what the latest paid version offers. ChatGPT, as you may already know, is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI that has taken the internet by storm. With its ability to generate text and ideas from scratch, it has become a go-to tool for explaining complex concepts, writing code, crafting poems, and much more. But have you ever thought of how you could take it to the next level? How you could harness its power to automate your business processes or generate high-quality content at a faster rate? Well, that's exactly what we're here to talk about today. OpenAI has recently announced the launch of ChatGPT Professional, a paid version of the chatbot that promises to take your experience to the next level. And in this video, we'll be providing a deep dive into this new plan, including its features, pricing, and potential use cases. We'll also be comparing the professional plan to the free plan and exploring the potential benefits of upgrading. But before we dive in, let me ask you a question. Are you tired of dealing with finicky availability, slow response speeds, and missing out on new features? Are you looking for a way to automate your business processes and generate high-quality content at a faster rate? If the answer is yes, then you'll definitely want to stick around for the rest of this video. So without further ado, let's get started and discover how ChatGPT Professional can take your AI text generation experience to the next level. Features of the ChatGPT Professional Plan. As we mentioned earlier, the ChatGPT Professional Plan is designed to take your AI text generation experience to the next level. So what exactly does that mean? What are the features that come with the Professional Plan? First and foremost, the Professional Plan offers increased availability, meaning you won't have to deal with finicky availability or blackout windows anymore. This means that you'll be able to access the chatbot when you need it the most, without any interruptions. In addition to that, the Professional Plan also offers faster response speeds, so you won't have to wait around for the chatbot to generate your text. This is especially useful if you're working on a tight deadline or need to generate a large amount of text in a short period of time. Another major benefit of the Professional Plan is priority access to new features. This means that as soon as a new feature is developed, Professional Plan users will have access to it before anyone else. This can give you an edge over your competitors and help you stay ahead of the curve. One more thing, the Professional Plan also promises no throttling, so you'll be able to generate as much text as you need without any limitations. Plus, you'll have increased API request limits, meaning you'll be able to make more requests to the chatbot in a given period of time. Now you might be thinking, how does this compare to the free plan? Well, the free plan still offers the core text generation capabilities that ChatGPT is known for, but it doesn't include the increased availability, faster response speeds, priority access to new features, no throttling, and increased API request limits that come with the Professional Plan. To put it simply, the free plan is great for personal use or for testing the chatbot out. But if you're looking to take your experience to the next level, the Professional Plan is the way to go. In addition, the Professional Plan is also more flexible and can be tailored to the specific needs of the user and the agreements made with OpenAI. This means that if you have specific requirements for your business, you can work with OpenAI to create a plan that's tailored to your needs. But that's not all. The Professional Plan also offers access to a dedicated support team that can help you with any issues or questions you may have. This can be a huge benefit for businesses that rely on the chatbot for their operations. In summary, the ChatGPT Professional Plan offers increased availability, faster response speeds, priority access to new features, no throttling, and increased API request limits, and the ability to tailor the plan to your specific needs and dedicated support team. All these features are designed to help you automate your business processes, generate high-quality content at a faster rate, and stay ahead of the curve. Now, you may be wondering if upgrading to the professional plan is the right move for you, and we'll be discussing that in the next section, where we'll be looking at potential use cases for the professional plan. So stay tuned. Potential use cases for the ChatGPT Professional Plan. Now that we've covered the features of the professional plan, it's time to explore how it can be used in real-world scenarios. The ChatGPT Professional Plan has the potential to be a game changer for businesses and individuals alike, and the possibilities are endless. Let's start with customer service automation. Imagine being able to automate your customer service department with the help of ChatGPT Professional. The chatbot can generate responses to frequently asked questions, handle customer complaints, and even provide personalized assistance to customers. This can save your business time and money and free up your customer service representatives to handle more complex issues. Another potential use case for the ChatGPT Professional Plan is content generation. With its ability to generate high-quality text, the chatbot can be used to write articles, blog posts, product descriptions, and more. This can save your business time and money and help you stay ahead of the curve in terms of content creation. The professional plan can also be used for language translation, generating scripts for movies or TV shows, composing music, writing code, and so on. The possibilities are endless, and it's up to you to decide how you want to use the chatbot to improve your business or personal projects. Additionally, for businesses that rely on the chatbot for their operations, upgrading to the professional plan can result in significant cost savings and productivity gains. The increased availability, faster response speeds, priority access to new features, no throttling, and increased API request limits can help you automate your business processes and generate high-quality content at a faster rate. So is this professional plan right for you? Well, that depends on your specific needs and the size of your business. If you're a small business or an individual looking to automate your customer service department or generate high-quality content, the professional plan may be the perfect fit. However, if you're a large enterprise with more complex needs, you may want to work with OpenAI to create a customized plan that's tailored to your specific requirements. In conclusion, the ChatGPT Professional Plan has the potential to be a game changer for businesses and individuals alike, and the possibilities are endless. From customer service automation to content generation, the professional plan can help you automate your business processes, generate high-quality content at a faster rate, and stay ahead of the curve. Pricing and availability. By now, you're probably wondering how much the ChatGPT Professional Plan costs and how to access it. The good news is that the pricing is quite straightforward, and the plan is available on a monthly basis. The professional plan is priced at $42 per month, and it offers all the features we've discussed in this video, including increased availability, faster response speeds, priority access to new features, no throttling, and increased API request limits. It's important to note that the pricing and features of the professional plan can vary depending on the specific needs of the user and the agreements made with OpenAI. If you're a large enterprise with more complex needs, you may want to work with OpenAI to create a customized plan that's tailored to your specific requirements. Now let's talk about how to access the professional plan. As we mentioned earlier, the professional plan is not publicly accessible and is based on selection. OpenAI posted a waitlist link on its Discord server for the same, and those who signed up would be reached out to set up a payment process and a pilot. If you're interested in upgrading to the professional plan, all you have to do is sign up for the waitlist and wait for OpenAI to reach out to you. Once you've been selected, you'll be able to set up a payment process and start using the professional plan. Now we've come to the end of this video, and we hope that it has been informative and helpful. We encourage you to consider upgrading to the professional plan if it aligns with your needs, and don't hesitate to reach out to OpenAI if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. If you found it useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more up-to-date news. And we'll see you in the next video.